Hello, so today ang gagawin namin is i-assess namin yung sinagot ni Carl na PARQ questionnaire, which is the Physical Activity Readiness Questionnaire. Dito sa PARQ na to is gagawin namin is i-assess namin siya para malaman kung gaano ba ka-ready si Carl to perform the physical activities. So, and ang ka-groupmate ko ngayon is si Sean Limuel Castillo. And i-represent namin ngayon yung part Q answer ni Carl.
Sulod sa inyo.
Hello, so now we are going to assess the general health question. So number 1 question is, has your doctor ever said that you have heart condition or high blood pressure? Yung sagot ni Carl is no. And the next question is, do you feel pain in your chest at rest during your daily activities of living or when you do physical activity? Yung sagot ni Carl is no. So the third question naman is, do you lose balance because of dizziness or have you lost consciousness in the last 12 months? Ang sagot naman ni Carl is no. So number 4 question is, have you ever been diagnosed with another chronic medical condition other than heart disease? So ang sagot naman ni Carl dito is no pa din. So number 5 question is, are you currently taking prescribed medications for a chronic medical condition? Ang sagot naman ni Carl is no. So, number 6 question is, do you currently have had within the past 12 minutes? Number 6 question is, do you really have had within the past 12 months a bone, joint, or soft tissue issues like muscle, ligament, or tendon problem that could be hindrance to a physical activity? Ang sagot naman ni Carl is no. Number 7 is, has your doctor ever said that you should only do medically supervised physical activity? So ang sagot ni Carl is no. So based sa answer ni Carl sa PARQ activity, yung health condition ni Carl is at low risk, which means na healthy si Carl and ready siya maka-perform ng mga physical activities.